Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring each wiper blade with a tape in inches. Typical car blades range 16 to 28 inches, so record driver and passenger lengths. Check the rear hatch blade length separately and note the adapter style on the arm. Buy replacements that match those measured lengths and the Toyota Prius adapter type to avoid returns. Park the car on level ground, turn off the ignition and wipers, and set the switch to off before you carefully lift a wiper arm away from the windshield. Lift the wiper arm carefully by hand and support it to avoid snapping back onto the windshield. A sudden snap can crack glass. Place a towel under the arm as protection and open the rear hatch fully before removing the rear blade. For most hooked or pin-style adapters, press the small release tab or pinch the adapter and slide the old blade off the arm. Keep track of any small clips and set the old blades aside for size comparison when you unpack the replacements. Align the new blade adapter with the wiper arm and slide until you hear or feel a secure click, confirming the locking tab engaged. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the glass. Do not release it abruptly to avoid damage. Repeat for the rear blade, ensuring any hatch-specific clip is seated. Start the car and test by running the washers and wipers to check full sweep, contact, and absence of streaking. Replace blades every 6 to 12 months or sooner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.